这新闻来看，美国民主党的总统参选人贺锦丽昨宣布讲，副总统的遴选是今年60岁，明年苏达州的州长华兹。华兹已经第3届连任州长了。伊少年的时捌来台湾传教，嘛捌去中国教册。伊虽然捌讲过哦，六四天安门事件无应该袂记住，也毋过伊甲中国的关系嘛受到川普定牙的攻击。
So Pennsylvania, I'm here today because I found such a leader. Governor Tim Walz of the great state of Minnesota.
60岁华兹捌做过陆军国民兵，2006年42岁时阵加入政坛，赢得众议员选举，连任4届了后，出马参选州长得利，即马已经进入第3届任期。已经是高中老师的华兹，致力拥护教育甲气候变迁对策。2023年，互对体权入宪，佮互大麻合法，甲建立优先价制度。为内部拉斯加州来的华兹有中西部劳动阶级的背景，甲外界沟通的讲话甲用字简单佮直接，比穿西装来扩大政治情形。华兹形象佮较草根甲亲民。过去几礼拜，华兹强烈批评共和党总统参选人川普，讲川普定也是怪人的言论，为真紧也就真气。
I just have to say it. You know it, you feel it. These guys are creepy, and yes, just weird as hell. That's what you see. That's what you see.
华兹管辖的明尼苏达州一向是民主党票仓，推翻战争外界预测贺锦丽可能找摇摆州副手的结果。政治分析家指出，这是真大胆的决策，显示民主党想要变看卖，直接变就川普将压败中西部选区，争取政治立场相对不明显的中间选民。
Perhaps one of Walz's strengths is that he can speak to the kind of voter that was not particularly drawn to Hillary Clinton in 2016. But evidently swung back toward Joe Biden in 2020, which is an older, white, moderate voter, which Biden did pretty well with in the upper Midwest and the upper tier of New York State, for example. So by style, this guy could be appealing to that kind of voter for the same kind of reasons that the style of Joe Biden was appealing to that voter as well.
华兹也未惊政治路进前捌去中国教册，也真侪摆带学生团体进行美中交流。会讲一寡中文的华兹，并无暗藏对中国好感，不受讽刺指出，不一定爱将中国看作是对手。2014年，伊接受美国之音访问的时阵讲，六四天安门事件不应该互人袂记哩。要做众议员期间，也关注中国人权问题。不过华兹甲中国的密切关系依然遭受川普定牙强烈批评。未来是毋是会继续发酵，值得观察。公视新闻张淑芬报道。